1,500 square feet as the one bedroom.
And this is a panoramic stadium view. Wow. And what did you say the size of this was
So
again?
this starts at 1,500 square feet for the one bedroom. So you can see it faces the Allegiant Stadium. So 65,000 seats in this brand new stadium, home to the Raiders. We're excited. May 12th, we get the new football schedule.
It's a beautiful suite. The details are phenomenal.
So you can see like textured wallpaper, and then each one of our specialty suites is a little bit different. So it's going to be different decor throughout.
Really nice.